In 0.2, we're looking at function composition numerically. So composition of functions is when you're evaluating two functions in an order dictated by the question. So a tip is you want to evaluate from the inside out. So for this, you'll be given problems like example 1, and you'll be asked to evaluate f of g of 2. So we start looking at what is g of 2. So I'm going to use g of x, so g of 2 equals 3 times 2 minus 8. So then we get 3 times 2 is 6 minus 8, negative 2. So now we're going to take that negative 2 and plug it into f of x. So f of negative 2 equals 5 times negative 2 plus 4. And I'm actually going to continue this up here. So f of negative 2 equals 5 times negative 2 plus 4. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 plus 4, negative 6. So that is our final answer. So now we have g of f of negative 1. So I want to start with f of negative 1. So that function is 5 times negative 1 plus 4. So 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 plus 4. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So now we take that and we find f of negative, or sorry, g of negative 1, because g is our outer one. And our g of x function was 3, replacing x with negative 1 minus 8. So we get negative 3 equal, or oops, minus 8, negative 3 minus 8, negative 11. All right, I suggest you try this one yourself. So we want to find f of g of 6. So we start with g of 6. And that function was 3 times x, which we're replacing with 6, minus 8. 3 times 6 is 18, minus 8, 10. So g of 6 is 10. And now we need to find f of 10. Once again, working from the inside out. And that function was 5, replacing x with 10, plus 4. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 4. 50 plus 4 is 54. So that is our final answer. All right, now I want to point out two distinctly different things. If we have f of g of 3, that is not the same thing as f times g of 3.